cool air coming out of there, right? And so so these people, you can imagine that their air conditioning is not very efficient. G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the links and we're happy to help you out. Okay, Peter here from Comfort Zone. Just up in this roof that's got polyester bats, and as you can see, the rats have got into these and built lots of nests. So the customer actually had, let me just climb through here a little bit. The customer actually had them eating into the plaster and coming through on the inside. That's how many rats were in these bats. Now, the interesting thing is, only a quarter of the job's done with these bats, because the rest of it's done with cellulose fibre, and as you can see, the cellulose doesn't have any rat droppings on it. It's been pumped in too low though, so the contractor obviously was running out of product, and so they put polyester bats in for half the job, and then pumped this cellulose in at half the height. But as you can see, the cellulose doesn't even have any rat droppings on it. No rats burrowing in it. It's a much better product. So what I'm going to do is pull out the polyester, vacuum up all of the rat droppings, and then repump cellulose in to the right height and fix the job.